So no hesitation, no frustrated, no demotivated. Focus on your goal. You have to focus only one goal. Never ever give up. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good time to all of you. How are you, hoof and fit and fine? Thank you very much for giving me such a great opportunity to say something about my topic. So once again, my name is Masum Billah. I come from Kumilla. I'm proud member of the class 2 to 4 batch. I'm honored to be standing in front of the camera and in front of lots of people. Every day I will try to practice spoken English. My all of the educational background, madrasa education. It's you hardworking if you want to success. So I know lots of the missed sentence because it's my first month. Today my topic is salam. The salam is more important. So what is salam? Salam is Arabic word. It is a good word. Salam is so important. Big a little word but so powerful. When I say salam, I am giving peace to you. So salam is Arabic word. Is what meaning of peace. The Abu Hurairah radiallahu ta'ala asked the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam,